started our jeep safari, and as we entered, we just encountered some peacock. They were having fun. I'll show you the pictures. I couldn't take the video. And we have today with us, क्या नाम है भैया आपका?
मेरा नाम उपेंद्र दास।
उपेंद्र दास। सो भैया कितना दूर तक आप हम लोग को लेके जाएंगे?
आने का जाने का नाम है 60 किलोमीटर होगा।
30 आना जाना तो 60 kilometers. Okay, he's going to take us for 60 kilometers stretch ride. और अभी हम लोग को कौन-कौन से एनिमल्स देखने को मिल सकते हैं?
एलिफेंट, राइनो।
अच्छा।
बाइसन है, डियर है।
अच्छा, okay. So start was pretty good. I didn't expect it because it was like continuously raining, and I don't know, I was not even sure कि they'll have the jeep safari today or not, but yeah, luckily I found one. And so let's see what animals do we find out. Wow, he just showed something. Wow, what is that? I'll just show you. While entering the park, we were like really hungry, and there was this small stall from which we got Maggie. They didn't have really any spoon or fork, so I used my own this thing. I just made, being very creative, I made an instant spoon out of the cover. So just waiting to see some endangered or exotic animals. Greenery everywhere, so it's difficult that I mean the chances are really shallow to find any animals to see them basically in the jungle. But he says the ideal season would be January to March, wherein they burn down all the bushes, so it's easier to see the animals and all. So according to him, that is the best time. But see, I'll definitely check out my luck. I reached the viewpoint. Let's see if we are able to spot some animals. So far we have been out of luck. I mean, we encountered some peacocks, pigs and rhino, but nothing too exotic. So ये जगह का नाम क्या है? भूराबुरी। भूराबुरी। अच्छा।
पीकॉक वो देखो उधर, वो रहा उधर,
वो वाला डर में है, दो है।
I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there are so many peacocks in here. It's beautiful. I spot one there on the branch, and the other on the other side of this fence.
यहाँ में वो बहुत एलिफेंट मिलता है।
अच्छा।
लेकिन अभी तो घास पूरा हो गया ना, इसके देखने पर, लेकिन एक साथ में 20-30 ऐसे करके देखता है।
ओह अच्छा, तो फिर मतलब वो जैसे कार वार को ऐसे कुछ नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाता है?
नहीं, नुकसान नहीं।
अच्छा, ओके। तो ऐसे यहाँ रोक के उनको कुछ खिला नहीं सकते?
नहीं खिला नहीं सकते।
अच्छा।
डियर भी है, सांबर भी है, बहुत मैंने एक साथ में रहते हैं वो।
अच्छा।
अभी अंदर में है, देखिए।
अच्छा।
उधर में टाइगर का जगह है।
अच्छा
टाइगर कभी कभी मिलता है, लेकिन वो रास्ता तो अभी खुला नहीं है,
अच्छा
अभी बंद है। लेकिन वो थोड़ा आगे जाके एक जोरंग है, वो टूट गया, लेकिन
अच्छा।
अभी बना नहीं है, अभी बनाएगा तो खुलेगा।
अच्छा, कब तक बनने का बात है?
अभी बनाएगा, वो बारिश खत्म हो। पहाड़ है, हम लोग भूटान में देखेगा।
ये भूटान का रास्ता है क्या यहाँ से?
भूटान जा रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा ओके।
ये पहाड़ के उस तरफ भूटान है।
हाँ हाँ।
वो भूटान है क्या?
पानी खुला हो गया ना।
ये समुंदर नहीं है, पानी रिवर है ना।
Finally, after I think almost an hour and a half, we reached Manas River here. So the Manas National Park derives its name from this river. It's many tributaries of Brahmaputra River. And as you can see, these mountains covered in clouds, these are Bhutan. So the park is so long that it extends its foot to Bhutan. लैंडस्केप में लीजिए ना। हाँ, बाहर हाथ निकाल लीजिए अपना, आराम से। टिल्ट है, सीधा करिए थोड़ा। ये इधर तो उतर नहीं सकते हैं। अभी वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस सफारी विच वॉज ऑफ 3 hours। 3 घंटे की सफारी थी। बहुत ही अमेजिंग रहा, बट वन थिंग इज़ इट वॉज रियली टायरिंग बिकॉज इट वॉज लाइक अ कंटिन्यूस जर्क। अंदर रास्ता बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है, इट्स लाइक पत्थर एंड देन देयर आर पॉट होल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, so you know there is a continuous jerk of like 3 hours। So I am pretty tired, and I see a stall here nearby. They sell hot coffee, tea, and Maggie. So first I think I'll have snacks, and then I'll tell you guys more about this place. They serve yum Maggie, because while going I took one plate of Maggie. It was like very simple, just onion and green chilies, but the taste was yum. So that's what we're just waiting for our Maggie and tea. Let's see. Almost इतनी लंबी जर्नी के बाद it feels like heaven when you can have one cup of hot tea. I mean, I'm like tea addicted. I need my 2 cups of tea like daily, like first thing in the morning and in the evening. I mean, if I do not get those caffeine dose in time, फिर I start being cranky. So finally I'm getting tea, happy about it. Of course, some cookie. I'll just dip it in and eat. Finally, I've had my snack and I have enough energy to talk to you guys. So I'll just tell you what it's all about. Here in the entry fee is like 100 rupee per person, and Jeep Safari will cost you around, not around, exactly 2500 rupee. The capacity of which is 4 people. I mean, earlier it was 6 people, but then squeezed into 4 people because of social distancing norms and stuff. So I mean, today it's 23rd of October, and it's quite raining, so we were not very lucky enough to see many animals, because as it was raining, I told you. And as I talk to them, they tell that the best time to visit here is from January to March. So if you guys are planning, plan accordingly. There is no entry without mask, so do not forget to carry one. And if at all, by chance, if you get to carry the mask, there is a very I'm kind of a tea stall nearby, or they sell mask at 10 rupee per mask. That is a surgical mask, so you can get one from there. So in Jeep total duration of the Jeep Safari is 3 hours. They'll take you to Mathan is what they call here. They'll take you there, and it's kind of a river view, the Manas river view. It's beautiful because when you reach there, not only the water is clean and cold, you can see on the other side there is the mountain, and you can see Bhutan from there. So it's beautiful, and cloud cover mountain and everything. So you love it there. And on the way they'll take you to some viewpoints, but as of today the Tiger Lane was closed, so we couldn't go because there was some repairing thing going on, so we couldn't go there. And yeah, that's it. And then back to the entry point. The only thing which I hated about this trip was jerk. I mean, like, my god, it was like continuously jerk, and I think I might have a bad backache. So yeah, if you guys could do something about it, I don't know, maybe carry a pillow or something. Also, there's nothing to be eaten inside the national park, so if you guys want to munch on something, you guys can take it along with yourself. And someone who is addicted to tea or coffee, or maybe needing it within regular interval, you can take it in a flask. So that won't be a problem. They allow you to take eatables. Plus, one more thing I was about to tell you is, yeah, you cannot get down off Jeep until and unless there is a viewpoint or the site where I told you they are going to take you. So for that you can get down off your Jeep, or else you just have to be inside the Jeep like the whole time. And yeah, it's beautiful, it's surreal at point of time. You feel like you're out of world, and the greenery and lush greenery actually. And it's I mean, it's a peak time for greenery, because obviously after monsoon you can see that jungle and everything gets dense. But yes, for safari it's not a very great time, because you do not see, you're not able to see animals, because the forest is so dense. So as I told you, plan accordingly. And that's pretty much it. I think I really enjoyed it. I think you guys will also enjoy it. So come here with friends, family. It's a perfect day out. So come here, have fun, enjoy. And also, yes, one more thing I wanted to tell you, that if you don't want to hire a jeep safari, you can take your private vehicle. Obviously the private vehicle is not allowed to enter on many viewpoint, but yes, it will take you directly to that site which I was telling you about, the Manas River site. There, I mean, which is big, I mean, like, which is the best. And I mean, that is the main point. So yeah, a private vehicle can be taken there. But if you have an, I mean, if you don't have an SUV, I would suggest you hire a jeep, because the roads till there is filthy, and it's very tiring. So I would suggest basically to hire jeep safari. They also have elephant safari, but they do it in the morning, I mean early morning hours, like they start from 6 a.m. And it is like 2 hours ride. It won't take you really further. It's a small ride, and it is 900 rupee per person. So I mean, it's basically your preference. So they have both jeep ride and elephant ride. So I think that's about it. I'll see you guys, and yes, please subscribe to my channel, so that I can, I need that support from you guys, so that I can make more videos. And my because I right now I am working on campaign Awesome Assam. I want people to know how amazing Assam is. So for that I need your support. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.